Thank you, member. S70 install high quality power boot super soft close. Tak macam orang lain guna minyak bising pam. Ada orang pasang murah tapi harga pam minyak. Tutup bab ada bising-bising minyak suara. Okay, hold the button. Buka. And then you see the closing. Super soft close. I close a bit. Okay. Cầm ra nữa. Now got the button. Have a button here. Okay, show you this button here. And then okay, you'll see the closing is how good is it. Super soft close. You can see? Very close. Okay, good. 你行前啲，因為鎖咗門咗呀。Okay, 嚟。And then front got the button. Original button is here. And then got one install the touch and go to. Touch and go come with the auto sensor. Okay. Now we touch the original button. Hold on. Let's see. Okay, we do a shot again. 嚟拉尾嘅，超級近位。超級近位，佢一開到近到幾靚俾你聽。We no do the rubbish, no sell the rubbish power boot. Thank you. It's a luxury car.